Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. Today, we'll discuss how to remove tax in Sales Order NetSuite. Here is an open sales order, and as you can see, the tax amount is 73.34 USD. On the item line, a tax code has been set with a tax rate of 8.25%. Let's now edit the sales order to remove the tax from the transaction. Go to the item line and change the tax code to not taxable to remove the applied tax. Notice that the tax rate automatically changed to 0% once not taxable was selected as the tax code. If the tax code field is not set as mandatory, you can simply remove the previously set tax code and leave the field blank to eliminate the tax. Go ahead and save the sales order to apply the changes. You'll notice that the tax amount is now set to 0, reflecting the removal of tax from the sales order. And that's how you remove tax from a sales order in NetSuite. Thank you for watching.